In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an operation of division. So click on Operation of Division from the Mathematics Topics menu. And then we're going to divide whole numbers with divisors as multiples and powers of 10. So I'll click on that. I'll read my primary instructions, click on Show Assessment Instructions. Read my assessment instructions, click on Start Assessment. And then that brings up my problem. Now the first place I will go when I do a division problem is to my divisor. So that's a positive number, so I'm going to put in the plus. Then I'm going to tab over and put in my 100. So 1 tab 0 tab 0. Then I'm going to put in my dividend plus, and then I'm going to tab over again to put 86,200. So 86,200. Now I'm going to go up and I'm going to put in a plus sign, and I tabbed. You can either tab or move it, put your cursor there and click on it when you're in the box. But tabbing is easier. So I'll watch what happens when I put in the plus sign. It brings all the product rows and the difference drop-down rows and the remainder. So I'm going to start doing my problem. So 100 into 862, I'm going to put my 8 up there. I'm going to go down and do 800. I'm going to do my difference, 0, 6, 2. I'm going to drop down to 0, and then I'm going to do a 6 up here. Then I'm going to put in 600. I'm going to put in 0 there, 6 from 6, 0, and then 2 and 0, and then drop down another 0. And that's going to be 2. And then I'll put in 200, 2, 0, 0. And the remainder is going to be 0, 0. Put in your remainders because it works out to be even. So my answer is 862. Now I'm going to score and present feedback. And then it tells me that I've correctly completed the division assessment. The quotient was 862, and mine was 862. So in order to do the next assessment problem, you click on Present Next Assessment. Thank you.